Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace lug nut studs on a Honda Civic. First, you'll need to gather your tools, including a lug wrench, a hammer, and the correct replacement lug studs. Next, safely lift your Civic using a jack and secure it with jack stands. Then, remove the wheel that has the damaged lug stud. Always prioritize safety by ensuring the vehicle is completely stable before you begin any work. Once the wheel is off, you'll need to remove the old, damaged lug stud. Position a socket or a similar tool behind the stud for support, then use a hammer to carefully tap the stud out from the hub assembly. If the stud is stubborn, a little penetrating oil can help loosen it. Let the oil soak for a few minutes, then try tapping again. Make sure the area is clean before the next step. Now it's time to install the new lug stud. Carefully slide the new stud through the hole from the back of the hub. To seat it properly, place a few washers over the new stud on the front side, then thread on a lug nut. Slowly tighten the lug nut, which will pull the new stud firmly into its seated position against the hub. Continue tightening until it's completely flush and secure. With the new stud in place, you can now reinstall your wheel. Hand tighten all lug nuts, then lower the vehicle and use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's recommended specifications, typically around 80 foot-pounds. After driving a short distance, it's a good practice to recheck the torque on all lug nuts to ensure they remain secure. Also, for an amazing reading experience, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.